Is it even worth it to make dulce de leche from scratch? Can you really make dulce de leche from a can of condensed milk? Today I'll be finding out. I'll be comparing store-bought dulce de leche, condensed milk dulce de leche, and homemade dulce de leche from scratch. It can be super hard to get a hold of some good quality dulce de leche if you're not in a country like Argentina, where it's a part of almost every dessert. This is actually where it was created by accident when a maid forgot a pot of milk and sugar on the stove, and she came back to find this thick and sweet confection. And let me just say, I've forgotten many things cooking on the stove and they didn't result in anything that great. So she was really, really lucky. So for the store-bought dulce de leche, I found a popular brand called La Serenisima, and I'm going to consider this as standard because I used to buy a lot of this when I lived in Argentina, and I know it's good quality. This is a 400 gram or 14-ounce tub, and it sells for $10 on Amazon. It's a little pricey, but it only took 3 days to arrive, so that was great. To make dulce de leche from a can of condensed milk, I'm using a 14-ounce can that sells for $1.93. Condensed milk is essentially sugar and milk that has been reduced and a great way to kickstart making dulce de leche. I'm going to remove the label and place it in a pot of boiling water for 2 to 2.5 hours, and we'll see what happens. I'm not really sure about this. It might come out a little different, but we'll see. For the dulce de leche from scratch, I'm going to get a heavy bottom pot. I'm going to add 2 liters of milk, 400 grams of granulated sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 200 grams of heavy cream. We're going to bring this to a boil for 3 hours and continue to stir it so it doesn't stick to the bottom. After it starts to darken and get thicker in consistency, I'll turn it off, add some vanilla extract, and let it cool. This will make a more spreadable dulce de leche, but if you want to take it a step further, you can make a thicker, more pipeable version that is used by a lot of pastry chefs. To do this, you simply add a mixture of cornstarch and water to the dulce de leche and let it thicken, and then add your vanilla extract. I kind of messed up a little bit here because I got carried away and forgot to stir my pot with my cornstarch and water, and it ended up a little lumpy, so that was not good. So make sure that you pay close attention to this step. Let the can and the dulce de leche from scratch come to room temperature. I'm going to ask my husband if he can guess which one of these dulce de leches is the store-bought version. Can you guess which one is the store-bought?
La vaca. So, listen, I can't see, so you gotta guide me now. Okay, where does it start? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Which is the store-bought? Am I using my finger?
Yeah, you can use my
finger.
It tastes better with your finger.
Is this PG-13? Wow. Okay. I think I know which one that is. But, might never know. Okay. I think I know which one that is too. I know which one that is. Is this the third one?
Yes.
Don't lie to the people. Wait. I didn't get that good dip. That one. Okay.
I need you to explain to me what
am I tasting? Okay, so in the middle one, the second one I had, I just happened to have an inconsistent texture or inconsistent texture. So that made me think that that was homemade. And so, which one is store-bought? That is the question. Oh yeah. Okay. This one is a little thicker. I'd say the left one is store-bought.
Oh, you got it.
Okay. Did I get a prize?
You get to eat all of it. So.
For a negligible difference, I'd probably stick with this one. I do love this one, I'm not gonna lie. And obviously this is one of my favorite dulce de leches. But yeah, negligible.
So unfortunately, my homemade dulce de leche did not stand up to the store-bought or even the can of condensed milk. But next time I'll get it right. I'll probably even try to fix it after this video. I'm definitely gonna make the dulce de leche from a can of condensed milk again. I think it's really easy to make and it's also super cheap and it makes a good amount of dulce de leche as well. I even saw someone put it in an Instapot for 35 minutes, so that's like a fraction of the time that I did it on the stove. So you could also pressure cook it in the Instant Pot and it will come out just as good as in a pot of boiling water. That's it, guys. If you ever try to make dulce de leche, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.